Hello traders, welcome to our channel. In this today's video, we are going to break down Nifty and Bank Nifty using pure price action. We will discuss exact support and resistance levels, breakdown triggers, and breakdown risks, and high probability stock setups for the next day. Make sure you watch till the end because I will also explain the next week range confirmation based on the open interest data. So let's begin for today's analysis. If we talk first about the Nifty analysis for next day, so currently Nifty is trading inside a very clear range between 25,500 and 26,000. You can see here the Nifty is currently yesterday it took support from 25,400 level and it bounced back from there, and it also forms a bullish engulfing pattern here. You can see here a small red candle and it a big green candle with a bullish body formed here on 16th February in the opening session. So after that, we can see here the market continuously is going upward. Okay, we are seeing a little bit of dips in the between, but market is trying to go slowly upside. And if we see a 5 minute chart, a 10 to 5 minute chart, if we see that, then you can see here the market yesterday jumped from here, and today you can see here a huge gap side opening happened in the morning. Okay, you can see here market was yesterday at this level 25,688, and the market then opened negative, and it took support from this range. This sideways range was uh, supply zone here, where many buyers were sitting here, and market came at this level and jumped back from this level, and it goes positive again and again. Okay, so now it is in uptrend, but we can see a crucial support level here. Today's open price, you can see here, this was the high of the first candle, and this zone is making now a new support level for the next day. So 25,650 level, 25,650 level will be the support level for the next day. If this support breaks down, then we can see a downside movement to this level, which is 25,570. Okay, so if the market opens negative and it breaks down 25,650, then we can see a downside movement till 25,570. And if the market goes above this level, okay, so there is a strong resistance zone here, 25,750 here, and this is a very crucial zone. You can see here the candles were forming here with the wicks, and market was not able to go up from this level. Why this level is a strong resistance? You can if you see the 1 hour chart, if you see the 1 hour chart, you can see here it clearly shows that this zone was earlier support level, and it broken down with a gap down, sorry, and then market gone to 25,400, and now again this gap is completely filled, and now market is reversing again. Okay, so what can happen tomorrow? The first thing you can think about is 25,750 resistance zone. If the market opens gap up in the positive opening, then if this level breaks above this level, then you can instantly buy call options. You can go long on the positions, and you can buy call options, and it will go 25,850, 25,900, and 26,000 on the further levels. And if market opens negative and it breaks down 25,650, then you can see fall till 25,500 zone. Okay, so this will be the tomorrow strategy for tomorrow. Okay, and recently Nifty formed a bullish engulfing pattern, as I said here, and it is near the support. This signals potential upside movement, means that this upside movement will continue for some time, because market if takes a little bit of dip here, then there will be a buy opportunity for the call options buyer. Okay, so above 25,750, about 25,750 we will try to go on the call option side above, and if the market goes below 25,650, then we can take a little bit of put options positions there. Okay, so if the market closes below 25,600, then we can see a little bit of more correction towards downside. Okay, so this will be the analysis for Nifty for tomorrow. Now coming to Bank Nifty, if we talk about the Bank Nifty, then we have seen yesterday that a huge bullish run continued, and today market also gone a little bit of upside, but today movement was not that strong. In the morning session, we have seen three green candles, but after that market stopped here. 61,200 level was the resistance zone for today, because yesterday I told you that if the market goes above 61,000, then you can buy call options, and 61,100, 61,200 will be the target, and it achieved it. But today 61,200 zone was very strong resistance zone, and market now is taking resistance from that zone. Okay, so what can happen next day? So the key breakout level will be 61,200. Okay, if the market goes above the 61,200 level, then we can see a further upside movement. And if a strong bullish candle closing above 61,200, then you can confidently take call option positions there. And but remember one thing: if the market opens gap up and forms a bearish candle, like suppose market opens a huge gap up and instantly start to come down, and it forms a red candle, that can signal short-term profit booking also, because Bank Nifty is different than Nifty and Sensex. Okay, Nifty and Sensex goes similar moment, but Bank Nifty is a different index. It goes in a very different moment than Nifty and Sensex. So Bank Nifty is constantly in the uptrend, and if market opens gap up and instantly forms a red candle, then you can see a short-term profit booking here also. Okay, so retest of the breakout level is very important because before taking any fresh longs. So if the market breaks out, opens and breaks out, and then again comes at the support level, and then again start to go up, then you can be sure about that this movement will continue for the further upside. Okay. Next thing to talk about, guys, India VIX has dropped more than 5%. Okay, and India VIX yesterday was running very high. When it goes up, it means market can show big movements, and when it goes down, it means market can go sideways and remain sideways. So today market remained in the range after the morning session. So it means that market volatility has been reducing a little bit. So this means that there is a reduced fear in the market. Okay, US market were closed earlier and global cues remain neutral to slightly negative. Post 10 a.m. market has been moving sideways in the recent session. So overall bias remains cautiously positive, means the market is positive, but you have to be a little bit cautious. Okay. And next thing we will talk about the stock setups. So first, I have selected some stocks which can see a good breakout in tomorrow or coming session. So first stock is the MCX. MCX here is the on the breakout probability zone. MCX is showing a good moment, and today we have seen a positive moment in the morning session. Then after that, we have seen a little bit of fall. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yesterday we have seen a positive moment, and then today it fallen a little bit, and now it is at 2283 level. Okay. So what can happen if it goes down 2260 level? If it breaks down 2260 level, then we can see a little bit of downside moment, and you can book profit there. And why only on the clear breakout level? You can see here there is a trend line coming. Okay, there is a trend line going on here, you can see, and this trend line zone is very crucial for it. If this breaks this trend line zone, then we can see a continuous further upside movement. So 2320 level is crucial for this. If it breaks above this level, then you can go on the buy side. If it breaks down 2260, then we can see downside movements. Okay, second stock is SRF. SRF are in the very positive session yesterday, but today it fallen hugely. In the today's session is it fallen very huge, and now it is at 2742 level here. So if it goes 2730 below, then you can take sell positions, short positions here, and it can go 27 110 2690 levels. So 2730 will be the downside breakout level for this stock. Third stock is LNT, guys. Okay, LNT is in very good upside moment. We have seen yesterday also it was going up, and today was this day, and it gone up now at 42790 level. Okay, so here 4280 above we can see breakout. If market Yes, tomorrow if market goes above this level 4280, you can see upside movement, and it can go 4300, 4310, 4320 levels. So you can book small profits here. The next stock is Indian Bank. We have seen a good upside moment in the Indian Bank. Yesterday, in on the 16th Feb, we have seen a very good upside rally, and today also a big candle, green candle opened, and it continued upside. So now it is at 920 level, 920 level, and if it goes above 921 level, then it can continue 925, 930 levels. So Indian Bank will be the stocks for tomorrow, and Tata Elxsi is the next stock. You can see here Tata Elxsi is now at 4919 level. Yesterday it was in the positive trend, and today it gone positive in the morning, but in the afternoon session it fallen a little bit. So now it is at 4919 level. Okay. So if it goes above the level, it means that if it has 4919 level and it goes above 4960 level, okay, 4960 level, if it crosses this level, then we can see upside retracement towards 5040 levels. So we can keep an eye on this level 4960 for the upside breakout. And on the downside, if 4890 broke down, then we can see a downside till 4800 and 4790. Okay. And next stock is Infosys. Infosys was in good upside moment in the morning. We can see here in the morning session, this big candles formed and it gone up. So it taken yesterday here resistance here. This level is the resistance zone for this stock 1430, and it took a resistance from here and it came down at 1390 level. So what can happen in this stock if it goes down 1380? If it broke down this level 1380, then we can see the fall here 1370, 1360, and it can go till this support level 1340, 1350. Okay. And if it goes 13 1400 level, if it goes above 1400 level, then we can see upside movement 1410, 1420, and so on. So keep an eye on this stock also. Tomorrow we can see a good moment here. Okay. So next, guys, if we talk about the next week outlook, then open interest data confirms that 25,500 is the strong support for the Nifty. Okay. If you see here that the Nifty is taking strong support at 25,500 level. Here we can see that 25,500, the PCR ratio is 4.68, which means that 25,500 level has lot of put option writing here. Okay. So you are seeing that the call option Y is 30,000 and put options Y is put 1,40,000. So it means that it is in the very good amount of writing here. So if for 25,500 level will not be broken easily by the market participants, and 26,000, if you see here, 26,000 is the strong resistance level because the PCR ratio here is 0.07, which means that market cannot break easily 26,000 level because the call option writing is 1,60,000 here and put option is only 11,000. So market will be in this range from the in the next week till next week. Until this range breaks, market will be in the range bound movement here. So buy in the dips near the support level, which means if the market comes near 25,500, 25,550, 25,600, then on the reversals, buy on the dips and book profits near resistance, which means if the market goes near 25,800 and 900, 26,000, then from there a little bit of reversal we can see, and there will be some profit booking. So try to book profits on the resistance and buy the dips near the support level of 25,500, 25,50. Okay. So the whole conclusion is this, guys: key Nifty and Bank Nifty are positioned for upside if key resistance breaks. Support zones are holding firm. Momentum traders should wait for the confirmation candles. Do not trade emotionally. trade levels. If you found this analysis helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Comment your view on the whether Nifty will break 26,000 this week this time or not. Okay, thank you so much.